What a difference a day makes. Sunshine and 70s felt so good. It was therapeutic yesterday. And the cold front came in overnight. Winds picked up. And if you take a look live around town, depends on if you're looking west or east. And you can definitely see the difference with some nice bronzing colors. We get close to sunset on this Friday. We did climb to 57 in the city, stopped at 52 at Bernie, some 60s down to the south and west, 61 out west in Del Rio, pair of fives in Kerrville and New Braunfels. Over Calaveras Lake for your Friday night forecast. We're looking at 40s as soon as you get to about 8:30 or 9 o'clock. So I would definitely have a good coat tonight. A north breeze will keep you even a little bit colder than the numbers you're seeing. We get into the 30s after midnight. And I'll show you the lows. It doesn't appear we'll get to too many freezing temperatures around the city, but there will be a few. All right, so the cold front is in the Gulf and a little bit of overrunning moisture. A lot of this not even reaching the ground because the dew points in deep South Texas are in the 20s. So normally it pick it up on radar, but as it descends, it evaporates out and it dries before it ever could reach us. So the clouds will continue to go towards the Gulf, and we should expect temperatures to drop along with it. North winds in place, and we go to a light freeze in the city and metro, mid-20s in the hill country, and then it stays chilly all day tomorrow. We're going to be in the 40s. You know, this is a little more optimistic than I think. 49 or 50 in San Antonio. I don't think we'll reach that. We will have sunshine, but a north breeze is going to keep things really chilly. In fact, wind chills will be a factor all day. Then as the winds die down, temperatures will go to the mid-20s in the hill country or in the city on Sunday morning. Hill country will flirt with some teens come Sunday morning. So the air's colder on Sunday, again, on the backside of this big Arctic plunge that really impacts the eastern half of the U.S. more than us. But with these kind of wind speeds coming in tomorrow morning, wind chill factors will be low enough for the cold weather advisory. San Antonio, Bernie up to Kerrville, New Braunfels and Seguin are on this as well until 10 a.m. You know, next week, hoping for this rain, we've got extreme drought going on and maybe just a sliver for San Antonio right now. The models want to keep most of this rain in southeast Texas, unfortunately. 14-day forecast time, and we begin with 2 weather impact alerts for tomorrow and Sunday morning. Tomorrow's about the wind chill, so even though we hit 32, it's going to feel like the lower 20s, and then 48 the high with sunshine, but it'll probably feel like about 40 most of the afternoon. Then on Sunday, colder temperature in the morning, mid-20s, then 56 and sunny, and then we're climbing. Hitting 70 on Tuesday, slight chance of rain only at 20 or 30%, but notice there's more warm air than cold air on this 14-day forecast.